frozen passenger. A lone driver navigates a snowstorm on an isolated mountain road. The windshield wipers barely keep up with the relentless snowfall, and the GPS has lost signal. The radio crackles, but all that comes through is faint static and whispers. As the driver rounds a bend, their headlights catch a figure standing in the middle of the road. A woman in a tattered coat, frost clinging to her hair. She raises a hand, signaling for help. Reluctantly, the driver pulls over. The woman climbs into the passenger seat, her movements stiff and mechanical. She says nothing at first, just stares straight ahead. Finally, the driver asks, "Where are you headed?" The woman whispers, "Home."